Hi there. So the 2024 KCSE results are out, and I want to first of all congratulate all the candidates who sat for their KCSE in the year 2024. And for those who have not been able to receive their results, I'm very sorry, but I want to tell you this is not the end of the journey. I would advise that you retake the exams and hopefully you get your results. I've been receiving calls from parents and candidates asking me that we are trying to search for these results, but the website is not responding. We are not getting the results. I want to tell you that everyone in Kenya right now is searching for the same results and they are on the same portal. So we must expect delays. But above all, in this video, I want to show you how you can be able to access your 2024 KCSE results. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is to visit this website. It's results.nec.ac.ke, and then you will come and type here your index number in full. That is the school code and your index number. After that, you will type your full name as it is registered in the system. So you have to put here your full name. After that, I want you to click on view results. Now, after that, it will load for some time. Yes, the website is lagging, okay, but it's going to load, and after that, it's going to show you the results over here. And now it's showing you 2024 KCSE results, the index number and the name of the student. And down here, it shows the school that the student took the KCSE from. And after that, it shows you the mean grade that the student scored in KCSE 2024. And down here now, it shows you the breakdown, that is how the student performed per subject. And I want to say congratulations to this student. You've qualified to join a college or a university and pursue a course of your choice. Again, I want to say, do not be anxious. The website is going to work. So do not worry. You be patient with the website. And once you follow these steps, your results will be shown to you in no time. I hope that this video helped you. And if that is the case, you already know what to do. Like this video and also share this video to other people who are searching for the same thing. And if you love my general content, please make sure to subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.